I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Our dish today, this is a salad that is celebrated by Egyptians because not only it celebrates eggplants, but it celebrates the bountiness of the Egyptian land. I would like to start with frying the eggplants. I'm gonna add the oil to the hot pan. Heat the oil on medium-high heat. While the oil is heating, sprinkle some salt over your diced eggplants. We're gonna add slowly the diced eggplants to the hot oil. Fry it in batches and don't cram your frying pan so you don't have any dangerous splatters. When the eggplants turn to this lovely medium brown golden color, you remove it from the heat with a slotted spoon and you let it rest on kitchen or paper towels to absorb the excess oil. Okay, while these diced and fried beautiful eggplants are resting on kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil, I'm gonna make the sauce. So I'll put this on the side. We add a ladle of the frying oil to a medium or small saucepan. We add our garlic to this hot oil. Don't let the garlic get too brown. Once it starts to sizzle, just add your vinegar and immediately add some water, and then add lemon and add your seasoning. Some pepper, cumin, and some cayenne. I turn off the heat. You don't let it boil or anything, no need for that. Just all the flavors are, blending very well together. I'll bring my eggplants while it's still hot. I'll start drizzling that luscious garlic vinegar sauce over the eggplants, just to flavor it. I will serve this extra sauce on the side. We'll get this plate, nice serving plate, with this lettuce cups, and I will start filling my lettuce cups. Put some of my eggplants here. It's like a salad bar. Each one will customize his eggplant cup. This is an excellent vegan and gluten-free meal. It's really vegan paradise. The colors are so beautiful. Pick the veggies of your choice, some tomatoes, and the secret ingredient here is pomegranate seeds. Surprisingly, pomegranate seeds or pomegranate molasses or pomegranate in general pairs so well with eggplants. There is something about the pungent flavor of eggplants and the sweetness and tartness of the pomegranate seeds. A little bit of onion spring, and for freshness, some fresh cilantro. And here you go. Try salad bitinjan or eggplant salad in your own kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.